English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly? Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills. Watch this video till to the end to improve your English fast. Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. You can become a member to get early access to our new videos, exclusive content, and more advantages. Click the join button below and let's learn together. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
Smell a rat.
I got a message from someone saying I won $1,000.
I smell a rat. Did you enter any contest?
No, I didn't, but the message looks real.
Be careful. Scammers often make things look official to trick people.
Yeah, I guess you're right. They're asking for my bank details.
That's a huge red flag. Don't share anything.
I won't. Thanks for the warning, Nina.
No problem. Always good to double-check things like that.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
Smell a rat. To suspect that something is wrong or not true. Example. When John saw the email asking for his personal information, he started to smell a rat. Scammers. People who try to trick others to steal their money or personal information. Example. Scammers often send fake messages to trick people into giving their bank details. Red flag. A warning sign that something might be wrong or dangerous. Example. If a message asks for personal information, it is a red flag that it could be a scam.
I want to remind you something, guys. Repetition is very important to become fluent in English. So, watch this video many times. Try to answer the questions out loud and you will improve your speaking skills quickly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud. I got a message from someone saying I won $1,000. Did Tom get a message? Yes, he did. He got a message. Did the message say he won $1 million? No, it didn't say he won $1 million. What did the message say? It said he won $1,000.
I smell a rat.
Did Nina trust the message? No, she didn't. She thought it might be a scam. Did Nina say she smelled a cat? No, she didn't. She didn't say she smelled a cat. What did Nina say she smelled? She smelled a rat. Why did Nina say she smelled a rat? Because she suspected the message. What did she say when she suspected? She said, I smell a rat. It means she thought something was wrong.
Did you enter any contest?
Did Nina ask Tom about entering a contest? Yes, she did. She asked if he entered a contest. No, I didn't, but the message looks real. Did Tom enter a contest? No, he didn't. He didn't enter any contest. Did the message look real to Tom? Yes, it did. It looked real to him.
Be careful. Scammers often make things look official to trick people.
Who warned Tom to be careful? Nina did. She warned him to be careful. Why should Tom be careful? Because scammers make things look official. What did Nina say scammers try to do? They try to trick people. Do scammers often make things look funny to trick people? No, they don't make things look funny. How do scammers make things look? Official. Scammers often make things look official to trick people. Yeah, I guess you're right. They're asking for my bank details. Were the scammers asking for Tom's shirt? No, they weren't asking for Tom's shirt. What were the scammers asking for? They were asking for his bank details.
That's a huge red flag. Don't share anything.
Did Nina say it was a white flag about asking for bank details? No, she didn't say it was a white flag. What did Nina say about asking for bank details? She said it was a red flag. Did Nina tell Tom to share his details? No, she didn't. She told him not to share them. I won't. Thanks for the warning, Nina. Did Tom give his bank details? No, he didn't. He didn't give them. Did Tom thank Nina? Yes, he did. He thanked her for the warning.
No problem. Always good to double-check things like that.
What did Nina tell Tom to do in the future? She told him to double-check things. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin. I got a message from someone saying I won $1,000. No, I didn't, but the message looks real. Yeah, I guess you're right. They're asking for my bank details. I won't. Thanks for the warning, Nina.
I smell a rat. Did you enter any contest? Be careful. Scammers often make things look official to trick people. That's a huge red flag. Don't share anything. No problem. Always good to double-check things like that.
Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys! Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.